Welcome to the finale of Phonics Mastery ESL Part 5 to Z. You're almost a phonics master. Master the last sounds, review all 26 letters, and speak American English confidently. Repeat after me. Let's finish strong. Letter W. Sound. Voiced W like work. Lips rounded. W. Example. Work. Job. Sentence. I work from home. Repeat. Work. Work. More. Water. Drink. Repeat. Water. Practice. Week. 7 days. Drink water every week. Smooth W for natural speech. Great on W. Next. Letter X. Sound X like box. Back tongue air. X. Example. Box. Container. Open the box carefully. Box. Box. More. Fix. Repeat. Fix. Practice. Taxi. Sentence. Fix the taxi quickly. Master X for precision. Excellent on X. Continue. Letter Y. Sound E or J like yes. Smile wide. J. Example. Yes. Agreement. Sentence. Say yes to opportunities. Repeat. Yes, yes. More. Yellow. Repeat. Yellow. Year. Jeer. Time. Happy New Year.
Sentence. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Versatile Y for fluency. Super on Y. Last one. Letter Z. Sound. Voice Z like zoo. Air vibrate teeth. Z. Example. Zoo. Animals place. Visit the zoo this weekend. Zoo. Zooer. More. Zero. Repeat. Zero. Practice. Size. Measurement. Check the size carefully. Buzzing ers for confident ending. Congratulations, Mastered AZ. Subscribe.